Now we people come. The second kind of the Murakkab Nakis is Murakkab Jaari. Murakkab Jaari shows the continuing of a talk. In the Holy Quran, most places the talk is in the form of continuity. It is the reason for this is sayings or orders of the Holy Quran from the God is up to the doomsday. Therefore, in the Holy Quran, Murakkab Jari is used. Murakkab Jari has two parts. First one is Harf Jara and second is Majroor. The word used for Harf Jara in English is preposition. When two words combine in a specific manner and it shows the order of continuity, then such a compound is known as Murakkab Jar in Arabic grammar. The Harf Jara in Arabic language is 17, which is present here. The first one is Ba, Ta, Kaf, Lam, Waw, Munza, Muz, Khala, Rubba, Hasha, Min, Ada, Hatta, Ila, Fi, An, Ala. There are 17 prepositions in Arabic grammars, but we people read the 11 popular preposition, and therefore we people read the 11 preposition because in the Holy Quran 11 preposition is used and the other preposition is used in Arabic grammar in daily life. When in a compound preposition comes, then the word after preposition will be brought the Arab of Zair, and such a word is known as Majroor. We people were read in the conditions of Arab graph of Jama Salim, Izafi Halat, Mafuli Halat. There was one voice which was used for both Izafi Halat and Mafuli Halat. Here we people separate those conditions. Now the fi is a preposition and the word come after the preposition is masjid, used for mosque. Here this word is become majroor. The majroor is such a word which is in izafi halat, which is in genitive case. Now such a compound is known as Murakkab Jari. The second example of this compound from the Holy Quran is minallahi. It is actually min, but here this rule is applied. In minallahi, this is preposition and this is the word after the preposition known as majroor. This is called Murakkab Jari. Another example from the Holy Quran is a'udhu billah. In a'udhu billahi, this is a Murakkab Jari. This ba is preposition and Allah is known as majroor. And the Allah in izafi halat are in genitive case. The second example is minash shaitani. Min is preposition and ash-shaytani is called majroor. Another example from the Holy Quran is alhamdulillah. In alhamdulillah, this is Murakkab Jari. This lam is known as preposition. Now we people discuss chart which we was made at the time of Jama Salim. We people was read the. Now we people come toward the graph which we people was made at the time of Jama Salim, and at the time of Jama Salim we people was a sound which was same for both mafuli and izafi. The sound was ina, and we have a noun al kafirina. In al kafirin that sound is used. First one it is in mafuli and izafi halat, objective and genitive case. With respect to extension, it is a proper noun, and with respect to gender, it is a masculine noun, and with respect to others, it is a plural noun. If we people brought harf jar or preposition before it, and then it will become in izafi halat or in genitive case. Now it is made alal kafirina. Ala is preposition harf jara and al kafirina is majroor. Now we people concluded that in the Holy Quran, if a word has a preposition before it, then it will be in genitive case. Jazakum.